Hello friends, I am Nehal Mandrekar, and in today's video I am doing an unboxing of this product which I bought from Flipkart. So here is the packaging. This from here, then like this it opens. So I purchased a POCO phone, and this is with the bubble wrapping. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 6GB and 128GB version with graphite black. So here is the simple packaging. So let me cut this off. So here is one seal. Okay, so I think it will come out. Okay, so here is the first thing which I get is paperwork and a black colored case. So this is how it looks. Next thing is the phone. Here is the phone, so I'll just keep it aside. Inside this charger, a type C cable and a SIM ejector tool. So first thing, I'll remove the plastic. So satisfying. Behind also there are okay, this is how the phone looks. POCO front. Let me put this. So on top, headphone jack, and the side lock button, volume up down, type C cable, and this side the SIM. Okay, MIUI 9. So I'll quickly set this up and then get back to you all. Next, apply. Setup is complete. The back is plastic but it feels metallic. And allow the internal storage to get allow. Okay, so here is the typical MIUI. Wi-Fi is on. I'll go to settings. So first I'll show you all how much storage I am getting. Storage, so out of 128 available is 117 GB. Okay, that is the about POCO 8.1 Android version. Audio. Okay, so 6 GB MIUI 9.6. People notification, full display screen. Okay, here is an option to hide the notch. So as you can see, it is hidden now. and I'll enable it. Okay, so here is the camera. There are many modes like portrait, square, panorama, manual. Okay, the footages I'll show you all now. This is the recording from the POCO F1. I'm near the beach and it's a broad daylight. So now I'm walking the beach, and this is the Kandolim beach. Okay, going back, and the stabilization is not that great, I think. Let's see. So this is the quality from the front facing camera, and I'm back to the parking lot. Stabilization is not that great, but I don't know. You can comment down below how is the stabilization and the quality of the front camera. So here is the unboxing of the new POCO phone, which I bought from my money, not a sponsored video. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.